something unusual has just happened in the gold market. Gold just repeated a rare 1979 signal. If history repeats, the next move could shock the global financial system. The public debate is fractured, with two entirely different stories emerging. One opinion suggests gold is beginning a massive rally, while the other sees a financial bubble about to burst. Neither side may be reliable. Most investors fall into the headline trap, reacting to news instead of market analysis. Large financial institutions position capital months before a story hits the headlines, moving silently while commentators react to major events. Before a strong breakout, markets enter a preparation phase. Volatility drops, tight ranges form, and inexperienced investors feel bored. Behind the scenes, large investors slowly accumulate positions. The sideways pattern acts as the market's heartbeat, building energy. Once enough pressure builds, the breakout happens. The gold market recently showed this pattern, with prices surging after months of controlled movement. A 50-year historical pattern has emerged. Whenever the global economy faces severe uncertainty, such as energy disruptions or geopolitical conflict, gold reacts strongly. Capital flows to assets that can preserve value during these periods. During the 1970s oil crisis, oil-producing nations restricted supply, causing energy prices and inflation to surge. Investors rushed toward safe assets, and gold almost doubled in value within a year. The 1979 geopolitical shock saw a major political upheaval disrupt global oil production. Fear spread, and gold surged from roughly $220 to nearly $850 within a year, a massive rally rarely seen in traditional assets. Today, the world is facing a mirror image of 1979, with rising geopolitical tensions and uncertainty in global energy markets. We could be witnessing the early stages of the exact same historical pattern. Gold is the ultimate safe haven, reacting strongly during uncertain times. It is not tied to any specific company's performance nor controlled by a single government, serving as a reliable store of value for thousands of years. Oil is a critical resource, and when its supply becomes uncertain, the energy ripple effect begins. Oil prices spike, transportation and manufacturing costs increase, inflation rises, and investors shift money to gold. A structural imbalance exists between paper and physical gold. Physical demand is rising faster than supply. Historically, when this imbalance grows, markets respond with sharp price movements. The geopolitical ripple affects more than just gold. When international tensions rise, governments increase spending in two key areas to ensure stability: energy security and national defense. Major geopolitical events tend to follow four recognizable phases in financial markets: shock, stabilization, recovery, and finally, new highs. Despite crises, global markets have consistently recovered over time. Successful investors invest like the smart money, focusing on patterns and probabilities, not panic. They observe capital flow, study historical behavior, and follow clear rules for managing risk. The most important market signals appear long before the crowd notices them.